Alright, we're going to verify that this right here is a solution to this differential equation. As you can see, this is pretty crazy, huh? We put natural log of x inside of sine. But when you are solving differential equations, yes, you get a lot of crazy functions for the answers. You'll see once you get into differential equation for the class. But we're just going to be taking the first and the second derivative, plug back in, and verify that this is a solution. This is not the only one. This is not the general solution, but it's one of the solutions. Anyway, start with y equals sine of ln x. First derivative, well, the derivative sine is cosine, and the input stays the same. And then, don't forget the derivative of the inside multiplied by 1 over x right here. So in another word, you can see that you get cosine of natural log of x over x for the first derivative. And then, for the second derivative, look at this and differentiate. And notice we need to use the quotient rule. So for my Cal 2 students, don't forget your quotient rules and all the other derivative techniques. Let's go ahead and square the denominator first. And then for the top, we need to keep the bottom function and then times the derivative of the top. The derivative of cosine with negative sine. And the input stays the same. And then don't forget to multiply by the derivative of natural log of x, which is 1 over x, like this. So that's the top, the first part. And then we minus the second function, the top function, which is cosine of natural log of x, times the derivative of the bottom, which is 1, like this. So that's pretty much it, huh? And then you can see some nice cancellations, because the x and the 1 over x, this x cancel. And I will just put everything together for you guys. Y double prime is all that over that, which is negative sine of natural log of x minus cosine of natural log of x all over x squared, like this. And now we can just put this, and that into this differential equation, and we check to see if we get 0 or not. So here we go. This is the check now. X squared is just x squared, of course, times y double prime, which is this. You put it here, you get negative sine of natural log of x minus cosine of natural log of x all over x squared. Huh, it's pretty nice, huh? Because this and that will cancel. And then you are going to add x times y prime, which is just this right here, and we have cosine of natural log of x over x, like this. And lastly, you also have to add a y, which is just the original function, and we have plus y is just sine of ln x, like that. Well, in the end, I'm not sure if this is 0. We'll have to show that, but you'll see. Notice x squared cancel, x and x cancel, very nice. And of course, you can see more. This is going to be negative sine of ln x minus cosine of ln x, and then we add cosine of ln x, and then we add sine of ln x. Is this equal to 0? Yes, it is, because this and that cancel. Likewise, this and that cancel. Of course, 0 is equal to 0, so it checks. And this is how you verify a given function is a solution to a differential equation or not. That's it.